trying not to piss this out off. I think it's okay.
Well, it's gonna take a lot more if you touch it into actually visible. So it should be fine.
A lot more?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay?
No, it's okay.
He likes it.
Well, we will hope that.
He likes that. Were you mad at me? You don't like it? You don't like it? I don't want to take my eyes away from animal anymore because the next thing I know they want to bite me. I'm gonna touch this boy right here. Pretty girl. A boy. Looking at my fingers like.
Oops.
Why wouldn't you look at me? Yes. Meh. So we're doing the big one, 50 kilograms.
You put this over the bird's head. It covers up the eyes, keeps the bird nice and calm. It is the end of the day though, so I'm gonna warn you, it's gonna take a little bit of time.
Okay.
He's kind of like, I'm supposed to be relaxing now. What is this?
No, I understand.
So
Okay.
he might be a bit jumpy and stuff like that,
Okay.
but
But we'll be safe.
yeah, you should be fine.
You should be fine. That's okay.
Yeah.
Should be.
If anything goes wrong.
Well, this entire place is enter at your own risk, so.
Oh, okay, cool.
All right, so I'm gonna go and get the bird. I can tell already this is gonna take a while.
It's at the end of the day.
Not the problem getting it on, it's tightening it once it is on.
He's tired. Long day for him.
Problem is, she will literally fall asleep with this, so she ends up doing this in photos. And it just like doesn't look good. Yeah, we'll put her in the back of a, we call them buckies, but I guess you guys call them trucks.
Trucks, I call them buckets.
Yeah. Buckets is fine.
There you go. You understand what I'm saying? So we'll put them on the eagle perch, put the hood on, and we can drive with this just on the perch on the back. There you go. You are now holding an eagle.
Ow!
Yeah.
He's squeezing my.
Yeah, he's quite strong.
Very strong paw. Oh, because I'm not balanced, maybe it's trying to grab onto me like really tight at the end.
There you go.
Those nails are strong.
It's okay. Sometimes yes, he just does it. So sometimes you'll just be like, hey, hey,
Hey, where you going?
alright, buddy. Let's pop it down.
Oh, oh.
There you go.
Am I too tight for it?
There you go. Oh, give it a second. Going fire. This is how he typically gets at this time of the day. He's
Cranky?
yeah,
Him to sleep.
a little jumpy. Yes. Always makes his little chipping sounds.
He doesn't like me. This is Leo, by the way. He's like, I just want to stand on her hand instead. Oh, you're just a cute little thing. What is that? The duck? Just a lazy pig with the tail up, down. I'm sleeping now, don't bother me. It's 5 o'clock, okay? I had a long day. And those are goats?
Yep.
Okay, goats are over there. Look at these guys. They want to eat.
One.
Hi, Mana. You want to make happy if I see that? Yeah. You don't have any more food for me. Chocolate. This one is Cape Floral White Chocolate, Orchid Berry Dark Chocolate, Coastal Spice Dark Chocolate.
Block 2, the first white wine you're tasting. This is a block 2, this is a block 2, the first one on your left hand side. This block 2, they blend 80% Sauvignon Blanc and 20% Semillon. And this is 2017 vintage made from the standard steel den. Now when you smell in this block 2, you pick all of that fresh green characters, you pick that grassy green pepper, gooseberry, but the taste of this one is very nice finishing because it's not that lingering, it's very light and young. Easy to enjoy on its own because it's our everyday. Nice with the seafood because it's nice and lingering finishing. This is a wine. But the people that are doing the chocolate take the white chocolate. And this white chocolate you open and smell together with the wine. You smell your wine and smell together with the chocolate. Smell the wine, smell the chocolate. Taste the wine first.
It's light, it's not as strong. I'm gonna have chocolate. Second or third. But they do go together. The white and the white chocolate and sparkling wine. No, not sparkling, this one.
White wine.
Okay, now the second white wine.
With the dark chocolate.
Do you smell both?
They do go together.
Let me smell.
Right? It's like, it's not a one.
Now the third wine. This is a fourth wine from your side. This is a block 5. And this is a 5 different red grapes blended together. When they make this block 5, they blend in Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Cabernet Franc, and the Petit Verdot. Both 2015 vintage, both made from the French and the American oak from the second time to use in the barrel. Now this block 5 is very nice and heavy, full bodied, but now I'm going to pair together with a Costa spiced dark chocolate. They're going to smell the wine and smell together with the chocolate. Both when they smell it, both are pairing nice. Taste the wine on its own, it's very heavy, dry, full bodied, bites the piece of chocolate. When the chocolate is melting, take the sip of the wine again, and the palate of the wine after the piece of chocolate is relatively smooth and softer because of the chocolate. Very good. And this block 5 is more complex. Nice when you do the heavy meal like a steak for dinner. Yours is nice and good. Now you're gonna enjoy these 4 wines. After finishing these 4 wines, I'm gonna come with another 2.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the last one. Oh, too strong for me. Yeah. That's why this is extra sweet. Okay, so I just finished with my wine. My favorite one is the white wine, as always. It's made from 2 types of grapes, and it's white. This one is medium flavor, but it's still strong for me. And this one is just tough one to swallow. It's 5 different types of grapes and very, very strong. I also like the champagne that used to clean my palate. But thank you for watching.